Daryl from the Jackson Fishing Team, and I've had this Coosa X, we'll show that here in a little bit, for a little over a year now, and I've been very happy with it compared to my Mayfly, which I used to love, but this I'm finding out is to be a great fly fishing platform. So why don't we take a look and see how I've got it set up, and then we will go out and we're going to do some fishing. So I don't know if you can see that, but I've got the understeer tackle storage, and usually I put in a little bit more fly boxes in this, but I'm only coming out for an evening fish, so I've got my one fly box in here for streamers and some poppers. Tide's coming in, so it'll be maybe kind of interesting. I don't know. Looks like some threatening clouds off in the distance, but there's no lightning yet. And my fly rods, I kind of go ahead and I keep in there, stored. Stored back in there. I take a cooler, put some drinks in it. These little cup holders are used to throw my wet flies in. I do take a measuring board in case I plan to keep some fish, and little landing net, power pole, a safety flag on there. So as you can see, pretty bare minimalist. Sometimes I will bring two fly rods, but I think that's it. I do got a drag rope for dragging my kayak out of the water or into the water, and inside the little box back here I keep spare flies, or not flies, but leaders and pliers and things like that. All right, so I think that's it. I'm going to go out and do some fishing. Maybe I'll get some action, who knows. All right, I'm Daryl. We'll see you on the water.